Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson on graphing quadratics. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the x-intercept form, vertex form, and standard form and see what information we can get from those types of equations. So if we have the quadratic in x-intercept form, it is y is equal to a, x minus p, x minus q. And we have got an example right here where y is equal to 3 times x minus 2 and x plus 1. The information that you would get right away is that your x-intercepts are the opposite of these numbers. So the x-intercept is at 2, and another x-intercept is at -1. Now we know it's a quadratic, and because your number in front is positive, we know it's going to look like this. If it was negative, the quadratic would be flipped upside down. The vertex, well, the vertex would be in the middle of -1 and 2. So if you add them together, -1 plus 2, and then divide it by 2, so equals 1 over 2, this would give you the x value of your vertex. So your x value of your vertex is 1/2, and now you just have to simply find what the y value is by plugging 1/2 into the equation and find what y is. If it's in vertex form, where you've got y is equal to a times x minus h to the power 2 plus k, your vertex is already given, and that's 2, 4. So your vertex is 2, 4. So your vertex is here at 2, 4. Once again, because your a value is positive, you know it's going to go up like this. Now things that you would want to find is your x-intercepts and your y-intercepts. Now obviously this one has no x-intercepts, but if you want to find the y-intercept, just make x equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3 times -2 squared plus 4. And this is equal to 4 times 3 is 12, 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. So your y-intercept would be somewhere over here at 16. And that at least gives you a visual of what your graph would look like. The third one is your standard form. Your standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Some quick information that you could get. Well, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So that's your y-intercept. Your vertex for this one, your vertex has a special formula where x is equal to -b over 2a. So your b for this one is -5. So -5 divided by 2 times a. Your a for this one is 3. So your vertex is at 5, 6. So your vertex for your x value is 5 over 6. And now to find the y value, you plug in the x value into here. Find out what the y value is, and that would be your vertex. Once again, because we know that the a value is positive, we know it's going to look like this. We just need a little bit more information to know exactly where the vertex is. Also, sometimes IB likes to ask the question of what this point is. Just realize that this is symmetrical. So the distance from here to here will be exactly the same as distance from here to here. Hope that helps. Have a good day.